In this video, I'll show you how to install Gameconfig file in GTA 5 to fix crashes and run heavy mods smoothly. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on this heap adjuster and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. And then go back, open the Packfile limit adjuster, drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Once you're done, open the config. Old versions. This is for old GTA 5 version users. Right click on the GTA 5.exe and select properties. Go to details, and here you can able to see your game version. Find your game version folder. In my case, I have the latest version. So once you find your game version, open the folder, open the for more mods, and open the stock traffic, and you got this XML file. For latest version users, open this GTA config v36 for a safe house. For more mods, stock traffic, and now open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager. Install all of these. Once you're done, close tab here and select edit mode and select yes option. Now open mods, update, update.rpf, common, data, and scroll down. You can able to see game config. Drag and drop the game config inside. Once you're done, close tab here and launch the game. If the problem still doesn't fixed, then right click on the game and select open file location. Scroll up, right click on the mods folder and select delete option. Once you deleted this mods folder, your problem should be fixed, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.